So your plastic applicator, so pop it on top, click, snap. Happy Friday, everybody. I just wanted to come on and I'm gonna do a little morning routine that I do when I'm kind of looking for just a little bit of a glow and a light application for just day-to-day errands. So I'm gonna start off, I already cleansed my face. So now I'm using some rose toning from Babor. I just lightly go around the areas. Neck and your décolleté area too. Cannot forget about that. Okay, and then I just let that kind of dry. So that's all dried up. And then I'm going to use my friend today that I mentioned earlier. This is the Perfect Glow Ampoule. So shake it first. Then you just kind of hit the top. It helps to kind of push the product down. So it's watery, it's liquid, but it does kind of sometimes create like a little bubble in there, so it gets stuck. In your package, you're gonna have a little plastic applicator. You just pop it on top. Plastic applicator. So pop it on top, click, snap, pop. And then pour the full content into your hand. Because it is a highly concentrated product, once you open it, it's already released its potency. So you have to use the full thing, because if you go to use it tonight, it's no longer going to have that active ingredient anymore. So make sure that you use everything. It's not effective if you use it a few hours later. Apply, get on the chest and the décolleté area, your neck, and it just gives the skin this really nice glow. It's very hydrating, so your skin absorbs it nicely. It doesn't have oils in it, so even for a skin who's oily, it won't cause any oils. And again, just exactly like the toner, you're gonna feel your skin is just gonna soak it right up. So just give that a little bit of time to allow it to absorb into the skin before you go ahead and put on your makeup. So today I'm going to be doing my own little BB cream, so I'll show you. So just like that. So now I'm going to use the HSR eye cream. One thing I like to do with eye cream too is I actually put it around my lip area as well. Oh, and can't forget my IMB. So do it in the morning, so shake it up. And it looks like an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner applicator. And I just go along the lash line. Scrape it. That dries pretty quickly. That's good. Now we're just playing around. So next, I am going to be using two products. I'm going to be using the Collagen Booster Cream and the Deluxe Foundation. So the Deluxe Foundation I have is number 3. It's a little dark. So if I were to apply it, I would have to really blend it out. So I chose to do the number 3 because, like I told you, I want to make a BB cream. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Collagen Booster Cream into the palm of my hands. I chose the Collagen Booster Cream because it's very hydrating. It's a little more wet, so it's easier to spread, and it's not heavy in oils, so it's not going to cause the product to separate. So just about that much. And then I'm adding a little bit of the Deluxe Foundation. And then you can either apply it with your hands or with a brush or with your Beauty Blender. I'm going to use my Kabuki brush. So I'm just going to blend it together on the palm of my hands. And then I'm going to go and apply. So it still has a little bit of that tint, but it's not as dark if I were to go apply it directly with the foundation, directly from the foundation. This lighting really is not the best. So you can either choose to keep it this glowy like this, or if you want to matte it out a little bit, just grab yourself your pressed foundation, pressed powder, pressed foundation, setting powder, sorry, can't speak today, and you can go over it to mattify it. I tend to get a little bit more oily in my forehead and my cheeks area, so I'm going to grab my wet Beauty Blender. So many things in there, can never find anything. And I'm going to use the Perfect Finish Foundation. And I'm just going to lightly wipe and then just press. Next, I'm going to grab their Tri-Color Blush. So I use this one as my bronzer because it's got the 3 colors. So because I want to kind of do a little bit of bronzing all over, I'm going to grab all of them, brush over the whole thing, and just lightly. Then I'm grabbing my slanted, and I'm only going to grab the 2 darker ones on the side, on the end there. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. gel. And honeysuckers. Starting to get long. Next, I'll be using, this is from something I got a while ago-ish. It's from FabFitFun. I got like, I think 2 years ago. A little bit of blush. I'm using the 1520 B01 blush brush. So I just smile. Just on the apples of the cheek. I don't want to put too much because I'm going to go with a bit of a bolder lip, so I don't want it to clash. You can also grab a little bit of bronzer. The bronzer that I grabbed has shimmer in it. So I'm going to use the Babor Orangina. Put that in a little bit. And I'm going to mix it with a gloss. So I don't get